Folks, Cueball here. Just a quick little video for you all. As you can see, there is my helmet, and on my old helmet I used to have the camera here, where as you can see I've got this angled vent, and that's got like kind of an angle. You can't get a M3 sticky pad in there to have your camera there where you normally have it. So the answer I had before was on the side with the bracket with the camera. Well, I've been running that for a while. Obviously now we're in lockdown, I've had some time to think. Been scouting the internet a little bit, and I found another product, a way of sticking, well not sticking, attaching your camera to the front of your helmet without even using M3 stickers, any bolts or nothing or screws. And I'll show you what that item is now. And here it is. It's basically a bracket with the upside down thing that you'd normally use, and what you basically do is lift up your visor like that, you attach it to where you want, you put the straps in like so, and then these things here, basically they go through these little things here, tighten them up until you're satisfied. So you put them in, them go underneath, and then that goes into place like so. So what I'll do, I'll cut the camera short here because obviously I can't really film and do it at the same time, and then we'll mount the camera and show you what it looks like. Right folks, there we have it. It was a bit of a fiddly job. Basically it's just two straps, two go underneath and two go over the top, and then on the inside, if you can see that, there's like two attachments, and you pull them through tight as you can. Make sure you put them in the correct way, and then these straps there, tighten them down, and the two ribbon things, just put them away in your helmet there. And there's no sticky pad attached. Obviously if there is any movement while you're riding, I'm guessing you can just tighten it up. For now this is just a new way of testing and see if this will work without worrying about these things. See if this is a better solution. So I have missed having the camera back there again, and then obviously do what you normally do. Just put your camera in like so, bolting it up. Yeah, so there you go. What I'll probably do is attach the camera and I'll come back again. Managed to get that in. Just put your bolt through like you normally do, look. Straight through there. There's a thread there, and that goes through. Just tighten it up. Don't tighten it up all the way till you're happy with the position of your camera, obviously. And there we have it. New way of attaching your camera to your helmet, if you like that chin mount, like so. I'll take a couple of pictures for you, see what you think. Try it on. I'll come over there now. The new chin camera attachment. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in this product. There are different brands. I went for this one, and let me know what you think. See you for the next time. Ride safe.